Roasting is a dry heat cooking method that relies on high temperatures to produce a beautiful browning of foods and rich flavors. Roasting is an easy cooking technique and a great way to bring out the natural sweetness of vegetables. Typically, vegetables are roasted at temperatures ranging from 375 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in a conventional oven, and 350 Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit in a convection oven. When roasting vegetables, it is important to make sure that cut vegetables are similar in size. For example, if roasting broccoli florets, the larger florets need to be broken or cut into smaller pieces. Uneven cuts can cause smaller pieces to burn and larger pieces to undercook. Vegetables should be coated in a small amount of oil and seasoned with salt, pepper, and/or a variety of spices. Spread seasoned vegetables in a single layer on full-sized sheet pans. Parchment paper may be used to speed cleanup. It is important not to overcrowd the pans, or the vegetables will steam rather than roast. 4 pounds of baby carrots, cauliflower, or broccoli will fit on one full-sized sheet pan. Roast baby carrots for 25 to 30 minutes depending on size, or until beginning to brown. Temperatures and times need to be tested with your specific equipment in your kitchen. Baby carrots taste delicious with the addition of lemon juice and seasonings. Roast cauliflower for 16 to 18 minutes. Cauliflower lends itself to a variety of spices and completely transforms and sweetens when roasted. Roast broccoli florets for 12 to 15 minutes, but be careful not to burn the delicate tips. Garlic powder, lemon juice, and Parmesan cheese flavor broccoli nicely. Once vegetables are roasted, transfer to 2-inch solid pans for service. Do not hold roasted vegetables for more than 20 minutes.